Hello everyone, welcome to CodeTude. In this Python series, we have started with operators and we have already completed the first part, which is arithmetic operators. Now we will learn about comparison operator. Now these operators are generally used when we want to take certain decision based on the comparison. Now here I have taken one example, A is equal to 100, B is equal to 200 and C is equal to 100. So these are three values, and based on these three values, in case if I want to take some decision. So if you want to compare two values, then you can do like this: A is equal to B. Here I am comparing A with B. But in case if I am just using one equal to sign, it means that I am assigning the value of B to A. But if you want to compare the two values, in that case you have to use double equal to sign. Okay, so this is the basic difference. If you are using single equal to sign, this is the assignment operator. But if you are using double equal to sign, it is comparison operator. Now the value of A is 100 and value of B is 200. So let's compare these two value, and we know that A is 100, B is 200, so they are not equal, so the false value is returned. Okay, so basically this operator returns true value, that is true and false. Okay, so I will run this cell and then I'll run this cell and I got the output which is false. So now let's take two values, A is equal to 100 and B is equal to 100. Okay, and now let's run this cell and again check what output we get, and we got true as the output. So it means that A is equal to B. So it returns Boolean expression true and false, okay, based on the comparison. Now in case if you want to check whether A is not equal to B or not, so this is the not equal to sign, exclamation mark and equal to sign. So this is not means exclamation, equal to. Okay, so this is not equal to sign. So in case if you want to check whether the two values are not equal, in that case you can go for this operator. You can use this operator, which is not equal to operator. Here A is 100, B is 100. Okay, now let's check what we get. So we got false. Okay, so it means that A is equal to B, so that's why we got this false. Okay, so now let's change the value of B. Here I am changing value of B to 900. Now here A is not equal to B, so this statement should return true. Okay, so let's run this cell. Okay, I need to run this cell again, and we got output true because A is not equal to B. Here A is 100, B is 900 and A is not equal to B, which is true. Okay, and here I will get false because A is 100, B is 900, and we are trying to compare both A and B, and here the sign is equal to and here the sign is not equal to. So A and B are not equal, that's why false, and A is not equal to B, which is true. Okay, now let's compare the two value. There are again two more comparison operator, which is greater than and smaller than. Here we can compare two values. Here now A is 100 and B is 900. So here I am comparing A with B. So 100 is greater than 900, which is false. Okay, so that's why we got output false. So here I am comparing the value of A with B, where A is 100, B is 900. Now let's change the value. Here I am assigning 1000 value to 100. Now let's check this statement one more time. So now let's check this statement, run the cell, and we got true because yes, A is 1000 and B is 900. So yes, A is greater than B. That's why we got true as the output. Now here let's compare this another statement, which is A is less than B. Now here A is 1000 and B is 900. So let's try to run this cell, and we got false because A is not less than B. That's why we got false as the output. Now let's change this value to 100 one more time, and let's run this cell and check. We got true output because yes, A is less than B because A is 100 and B is 900. So this is another operator. Now another operator is greater than equal to and less than equal to. Now in case if you want to use both the operator like greater than equal to and less than equal to, then you can, this is more convenient. So in case if you want to take decision based on whether the two values are equal or not, or if the value A is greater than value B, then in that case you can use this. Similarly, you can use this operator as well. Now here the value is 100 and B value is 900. So definitely A is not equal to B, and definitely A is also not greater than B. Now we will change the value of A. We will take A 900, B 900. Now let's run this cell and check what is the output. I'll check this output. Here I got true because A is 900 and B is 900. So this condition is satisfied and we got the output true. Now let's change the value of 900 to 1000. And now let's check what output we get by running this statement. So we got true because yes, A is 1000 and B is 900. So A is greater than B. So here both the conditions are satisfied. In the first case we checked that whether A is equal to B, and that's why we got true. And in second condition we checked whether A is greater than B. So if any of these condition is satisfied, then the answer is true, otherwise the answer is false. And same applies for this operator as well, which is A is less than and equal to B. So these are some of the basic simple comparison operators which you can use in Python to compare your values. So now let's understand logical operator in the next session.